Welcome back. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath has expressed need for making Goa a model state that can help India to achieve a status of a superpower. CM has made this appeal in a message to the Goans on the eve of Independence Day. India is celebrating its 64th Independence Day on Monday.
A state-level function will be held at Old Secretariat in Panaji on 15th. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath will host national flag at 8:45 in the morning. In an Independence Day message, Chief Minister Digambar Kamath lauded the achievement of the state and India. He says, country can achieve more with the dedicated efforts of every Indian.
आमचो प्रयत्न आसा की भारत देश जर सुपर पावर जातलो जाल्यार ह्या देशांतली प्रत्येक राज्यां, ह्या देशांतलो प्रत्येक समाज, ह्या देशांतलो प्रत्येक नागरीक हो सुपर पावर जावचो पडटलो आनी ताजी सुरवात ही आमी सगळ्यांनी जर ठरयलें जाल्यार गोंयांतल्यान जावपाक शकता.
Kamath says if there are any differences on any issue, they should be sorted out with a dialogue.
ल्हान राज्य आशिल्ले कारणान एक ह्या देशांतलें मॉडेल राज्य करपा खातीर आमच्यांनी प्रयत्न करपा जाता. पूण हे प्रयत्न करतलो जाल्यार फक्त सरकारानच प्रयत्न केले म्हणून जायना, जाल्यार ताजे खातीर सगळ्या प्रजेचें सहकार्य लागता. आनी म्हणूनच आयच्या ह्या दिसा हांव गोंयच्या सगळ्या प्रजेक उलो मारतां की आमचे भितर कितलेय मतभेद आसून ते मतभेद आमी बसून समोरासमोर बसून सोडोवपाक शकतात, तशी तांक आमकां सगळ्यांक आसा. पूण हे सगळे मतभेद विसरून गोंय राज्य ह्या देशांतलें एक बरें राज्य करपा खातीर आमी वावुरया.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Corporators and Zilla Panchayat members are gearing up to contest the upcoming assembly polls. Panji Corporator Rudresh Chodankar says he will contest from Mahe, whereas Zilla Panchayat member Dominic Gaonkar is eyeing on Kurtori constituency. However, both have not yet disclosed on which party ticket they will contest.
Panji Corporator Rudresh Chodankar is all set to contest assembly elections from Mahe. He says he has been working in this constituency and claims Mahe to be the most underdeveloped constituency in the state.
Now, how you will ask me how you came here to contest? It was I have been doing activities here for past 7 years. So it is the people from Sharao who have every now and then they are pinning me. And it's such a thing happened. One day they came with a memorandum asking me to contest. So it is basically the people who pushed me in this.
One of the supporter of Mickey Pacheco and Zilla Panchayat member Dominic Gaonkar has declared to contest from Kurtori constituency. He claims that he is willing to contest assembly polls as Zilla Parishads don't have power.
जिल्ला रावन आमच्यांनी चड व्हडली वस्तू करपाक जायना, वो चड लोकांची कामां वो जायते प्रश्न सुटावे करपाक जायना. ताका लागून लोकांचे आवडी लोकांनी म्हाका दाखयलें आसा की तूं मुखार वच, तूं आमकां आनी मुखार जाव आनी तूं मुखार गेल्यार आनी आमची जायतीं कामां जातली म्हणून.
With just around 8 months left for the assembly polls, a lot more new faces and aspirants are expected to step in the political race. Our reporter Samir Bhatt and Uday Parab for Prudent Media.
Team of vigilant citizens under the banner Together for Marga are all out to discuss the future plans and the role of bureaucrats for the betterment of Goa. They have demanded serious steps to tackle problems in the commercial city.
Several NGOs and social workers under the banner of Together for Goa discussed future plans and the role of bureaucrats in the development on Saturday at Madgaon. They have demanded that bureaucrats should deliver within a fixed time frame.
We as citizens of Goa and as Goans, we have to fight to see that upright people, upright bureaucrats are given a certain tenure to see that the illegalities which are there are curtailed and to see that these upright officers deliver. Some time has to be given to them to see that they deliver what they are asked to deliver.
They have also suggested conducting Nagar Sabhas in Madgaon on the lines of Gram Sabhas. Borda Citizen Committee member Laurie Abranches suggested holding a Lok Darbar where the locals are allowed to speak out their grievances before the municipal councillors.
Here it has happened in Margaon Municipal Council that upright officers, they come, they try to deliver themselves but they are not allowed to deliver until and unless the top level, like the politicians, tell them only they can deliver. Otherwise, no. This has to totally stop. The interference of the politicians have to totally stop. Administration has to be given a free hand to work.
The group also complained that the grievances addressed to the CM at the collector's office through video conferencing are not attended by the concerned authorities. Our reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
News from sports after a short break. Stay tuned.